Overload. I don't wanna be the one to go crazy on and on.
Can't stop it, won't stop.
I was on social media on the daily, make it stop.
Make it stop, make it stop.
I wanna reach people but don't need to be famous. Spotlight on. They want me to dance to get my song on their playlist. Overload.
Here comes another ping.
I don't wanna be the one to go crazy. Overload.
You gotta see this thing.
Too much content making me feel jaded. Another episode, so you tune in till midnight, way too late. Overload. I don't wanna be the one to go crazy. Yeah.
Overload.
Overload.
I don't want another ping to go off on my phone.
On my phone, yeah.
Notifications infiltrate inside my home.
Inside my home.
The smartphone's making us all dumb. If we'd only known.
If we'd only known.
More Facebook friends make people feel all alone.
All alone, all alone. Another post on the gram, gotta check how many likes to feel I'm loved. Gotta feel the feed, keep the birds coming, trying to keep up. Swipe to refresh it, I guess someone followed. If only we knew when I promised tomorrow, the way we connect would be way less hollow.
Wake up to a text message barrage. Urgent emails that always need a response.
Always need a response.
Ex-friends with urgent needs and wants. Friend requests from my distant aunts. Negative comments in all cap fonts. Scam and spam from the AI bots. Endless updates from restaurants. Trying to sell me breadsticks and pops.
Trying to sell me
Did you
things.
get it? I sent you that TikTok. I DM'd you on the X a lot. Then found me back to one to put you on the spot.
On the spot.
I liked your photo, at least you could respond. To grow your audience, you need nuance. You gotta give the people what they want.
Give 'em what they want.
Change the thumbnail, change the font.
Change it.
Two-step notification better log on.
Crazy, yeah.
Overload.
Overload.
I don't want another ping to go off on my phone.
On my phone, yeah.
Notifications infiltrate inside my home.
Inside my home.
The smartphone's making us all dumb. If we'd only known.
If we'd only known.
More Facebook friends make people feel all alone.
I wanna hit delete. I wanna let it all go. I wanna retreat due to the overload. Half the day on my phone on average. Time wasted away, it's so saddening. Time to take control, take life back. No more chains on me, free at last. I ain't gonna buy what you're selling me no more.
It's a tool, I'm not a tool.
I ain't hearing what you're telling me no more. It's just God and I in the wilderness. It's been a long time since I've known peace like this. Whoa.
It's a tool, I'm not a tool.
Feels good to be free from the overload.
It's a tool, I'm not a tool.